Ugh. This is so stupid already. Hey everyone, so I'm back with another makeup video. Surprise. Starting over. Hey everyone, so I have another makeup video today, and I asked a couple of friends what I should do, and my friend Becca, who also suggested the apocalyptic makeup, to do a look inspired by my zodiac sign. So I just learned about like all this horoscope stuff very recently. So my sun sign is a Virgo, which is like my birthday, like going by like my birthday month. My rising sign is Sagittarius, and my moon sign is Aquarius. So just because I don't know enough about this just yet to do anything else, I'm going to do Virgo. And what I know about Virgo is it's a earth sign, and the spirit color is silver. So I figure I could play with a lot of like greens and silvers today. I want this to be a somewhat wearable look because I do have to go somewhere grocery shopping. So again, I don't know what I'm doing yet, and we're gonna wing it. I have my foundation, all that shit done. I think I want to start with green. Am I gonna start with that?
A few moments later.
Here's what I'm thinking. I think I want to do like a big smoky green eye, like a silver halo almost, you know, with maybe some sparkles. Right, so we're gonna start with the smoky green. I know I've used this palette before, but I just love the greens in it so much. This is the Chilled palette by Makeup Revolution. Do I have any other I'm just going through all my palettes real quick. So the two palettes I can use for greens is this. This is the Vegan Love palette from Kat Von D. So I can use that green, which might be nice to kind of smoke out. All right, that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start with that one. And I'm just gonna start going for it, I guess. So apparently Kat Von D sold her makeup company, and it is now called KVDVegan. KVDVegan. I fucking did it again. KVDVeganBeauty, which is pretty cool. So I have a friend with me today, by the way. There he is. That's Griffin. So he is a 14-year-old blue tick coonhound. We rescued him about 2 years ago when he was 12. And, he has severe arthritis and really bad anxiety, but he's on CBD oil, he's on hemp treats that have turmeric and glucosamine and all that stuff in it, and he also has a baby aspirin every day, and then he's on anxiety medication. He's just on like a bunch of stuff, but he's such a sweet boy. I love him. I'm gonna go with this plant color right here just to kind of deepen everything. I only had one other dog before Griffin, and well, one other dog in my adult life. I had a dog, a Maltese, when I was growing up named Rocky Balboa, and he was adorable and I loved him so much, but I didn't feel so much attached to him as I did with my other dog, Ozzy, that I got when I graduated college, and Griffin. But I did have a dog before Griffin. He was a pug named Ozzy. I'm going back in with this green right now. And he was just like an angel. I loved him so much, but he was like a son to me. I just realized I was just rambling about dogs in shelters, but what I'm trying to get at, and I don't know why I'm talking about this now, but there's so many dogs in shelters that need homes, and we shouldn't be supporting breeders, because we're putting in more dogs than we know putting more dogs into this world than we know what to do with, and it's really just sad. So adopt is what I'm saying. Griffin came from a family with 3 other dogs, and the poor guy that had him most of his life had to surrender him to the shelter with his 2 other dogs because he lost his job. He was living out of his car and he could not provide a good life for his dogs. So he was heartbroken when he dropped off the dogs. And I guess the other 2 that were with Griffin were adopted one weekend without him because Griffin was too old. They didn't want him. So my friend that was volunteering at the shelter asked me to foster him, and we ended up falling in love. So he stayed. Long story short. I don't know why I talked about that. So now I'm gonna go in with this color. It's a little bit of a deeper green, and I'm just gonna kind of darken up the lower lash line a little more. I feel like it's very sharp. Let me blend this out a bit. So I have this color from Milk Cosmetics called Classic, and I can't really show you the color. Can you see it? It's like, see, this one's broken, but I love this color so much because it's almost like a eraser. It's such a good like blending color. I love it. It kind of just like smooths everything out. You know what I just realized too? I'm thinking about Earth and I automatically think green, but I just remembered that there's blue on Earth. There's blue, there's brown. So why am I sticking with green? Now I want to add blue. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a blue halo. So for the halo color, I'm gonna use this blue right here in the Vegan Love palette. But before I do that, I want to add a little bit of concealer where we're doing the halo eye. So the reason we put concealer down is it gives something for the eyeshadow to adhere to and stick to a little bit better. And it makes the colors a lot more vibrant. This color is called Sanctuary. Ooh, it's very smooth. Was not expecting that. It's not coming out the way I want it to. You know who has a good blue? Sinopia palette that I used in my last video. So this blue, I'm gonna try this one right here. Ooh, that's a little bit better. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is go under here. I know this looks really crazy, but we'll make it better, promise. You know what? I think to deepen this color, I should use like a brown almost. So the color that I want to use is Cypress Umber. And oh, my makeup bench almost broke. There's carmine in it. Okay, so we can't use that. I guess I'm gonna go back to this palette and use this brown right here. Kind of using it to deepen up the inner crease a little bit. I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star, but I'm using this blue right here to kind of lighten up the halo area that we're working with right now. It's called Ice Tray. I just feel like this is so dark and we're kind of losing that like halo-y effect. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Entitled. That's this color right here. It's kind of like an aqua. Whoa, that picked up a lot. You know what, I'm gonna go on to eyeliner, and then we'll come back to all this shenanigans and kind of smooth it out a little bit. I want to blend out this bottom lash line because it kind of looks like a mess. And I kind of lost the halo, but we're gonna fix that. So I know I wanted to use silver, so the only like silver I have is Diet Cola in the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. But where do I want to do that? I really should have planned this out, but I didn't. So we're kind of winging it, like I said. Oh, why am I blurry? Hello? Hello? There we go. See, here's the thing. My blue sparkle isn't coming out as much as I wanted it to. Oh, I know. So I have this Coulourpop Smoke Show palette. It has mostly silvers in it, so I don't know why I didn't think of that before. but I think I kind of want to like make the inner corner even more sparkly. Whoa. Look at how intense that is. That's insane. I'm gonna go back to the Blue Blood palette and use that teal color again. Kind of work it down a little bit. I kind of wish it was just more blue. I also have this. Oh, I also have this blue in the Mini Controversy palette. Actually, I changed my mind last minute. I'm gonna try this and just go over the blues that I have. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Excuse me. Ooh, I know. Okay. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. This is called Ocean Ice. Not to be confused with Ocean Eyes. Billie Eilish. I'm hip. Okay. I know what the kids listen to. Okay, that's not working. I want to add sort of a black eyeliner. I'm just going to deepen up the lower lash line and add a little bit to the top lash line. I'm really honored to be a earth sign. I think it's pretty crazy. We're starting, like throughout this quarantine, we're starting to realize how much of an effect we actually have on this planet. This is a good learning opportunity for us, and hopefully this kind of opens our eyes to what we need to do to take care of our planet so we have a future for, we're making a future for these other generations that are coming after us. There's just so much stuff that we're neglecting, and hopefully this is like a wake-up call for us, but I'm not too hopeful in that situation. So I just had to take a moment because I'm trying to figure out what to do next, and I just don't know, like, I have zero self-confidence in any time I do makeup, but we're gonna keep pushing through because my friend Lucas told me to keep going. So I'm gonna keep going and see how this turns out. I just got the crazy idea to do like green blush. I know I said I want this to be wearable, but I changed my mind. I want to do green blush. I am using this green here in the Vegan Love palette. Not like all over, almost like a green highlight. Oh my god, what am I doing? I think we can still save this. Okay, don't lose faith in me yet. I'm gonna add some liquid liner to the top. Then I want to use a silver for a highlight. Why not, right? Next I'm taking Diet Cola. I hate this. What am I doing? Oh my god. I'm gonna go back to the Smoke Show palette and use that silver we've been using and add it to the upper brow bone. So we went from it being wearable to not wearable at all, which is fine. Now we're just having fun. I want to do a dark lip, but with silver, so I think I might do... Okay, the lipstick I want to use is vegan, so that's good. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is add, like, highlight. Okay, so I've added some silver highlights, which I think kind of look really cool. Next, I'm going in with, this is Anastasia liquid lipstick in Potion. This is like a deep purple color, and I'm gonna top this with silver. Lipstick is on, it's drying. While it's drying, I'm gonna add Smokin'. That's this silver right here. Kind of want a little more, so I'm going to use that silver that we've been using. Ooh, there we go. It's kind of cool. This looks a little alien-y, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll come back. Okay, so my lashes and mascara is on. I don't really know what to do next. I want to say I'm done. I kind of just wanted to do like a Zodiac inspired makeup, kind of feel like I did that. So I'm gonna mark this done. What do we think?